Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to claim PF online. This guide will help you navigate the digital process for your Provident Fund withdrawal. We'll cover everything from initial setup to final submission, ensuring you understand each step. Online claims offer a faster, more convenient way to access your funds, saving you time and effort. Get ready to simplify your PF withdrawal journey with our comprehensive instructions. Before you begin, ensure your Universal Account Number, or UN, is active and linked with your Aadhaar, PAN, and bank account. This is a crucial first step for a successful online claim. Make sure your bank account details, including the IFS code, are accurate and updated in the EPFO portal. Having your bank passbook or a canceled check handy will help verify these details quickly. Proper preparation prevents delays. Once prepared, log into the EPFO member eSUA portal using your UAN and password. Navigate to the Online Services section and select Claim, Form 31-19-10C. Choose the correct claim type, such as Form 19 for final settlement or Form 31 for an advance. Fill in the required details, upload any necessary documents, and submit your claim. You can then track its progress directly on the portal. To ensure a smooth claim, double-check that all your personal details, including your name and date of birth, match across your Aadhaar, PAN, and EPFO records. An active mobile number linked to your Aadhaar is essential for receiving one-time passwords. If you encounter any issues, such as a mismatch in details or technical glitches, do not hesitate to contact the EPFO Help Desk for assistance. Patience and accuracy are key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.